The Web 2.0 tool that I chose to do is Animoto, which is a cloud-based video creation service that produces photos, video clips, and music, and turns them into video slideshows. So you can set up an account with just an email and a password. So I'll show you that real quick. So all you do is put in your email and your name and your password. And it also wants you to select what you're going to be using the service for. And you can select to start trial, which lasts 14 days and it's free. To use the personal version, it'll cost about $90 a year. And so to start using it, you create your account, and I'm just going to go back and log in here. And so you start by clicking create. So now that you've selected create, you want to pick the style that you want to use. So I'm just going to pick something random. And so now you can pick your song. So they actually have a really large library of songs, which is something I really like about this Web 2.0 tool, because sometimes you run into copyright issues and stuff, and all these songs are free to use, and you can download the video later, which I'll show you how to do. So let's just pick a song that's popular for education, and now we can add our videos and our pictures. So you can directly link it to any of your social media accounts. You can also select from their large library, free stock content down here, so we can look at those photos. And you can also upload, which is what I'm going to do for the sake of this video. So now that these are uploaded, you can arrange them in any way that you like. These pictures are of my puppy, so I'm just going to arrange them according to his age. I think that looks right. So you can also add text for a title or transitions between your presentation. So I'm just going to add a title and save it. And I want to pull it over to the front. So now that we've done that, we can add another song if we want. So let's just pick another education song. Okay, so now you can pull some of your pictures down here or videos, whichever. And you can cut your songs so that they fit however long you want them to play for your images. So we'll say we want this one to go for 30-ish seconds. And this one can go from 30 seconds to however long. Okay. So also we want to look at how fast we want our pictures to go, so we can set our image pacing. So we'll move it this way so it's a little slower, because they're actually pretty fast if they're in the middle. And do that one too. So also, if we select a certain image, we can do a spotlight on it, which will make that particular image stay up longer than the rest. I don't want to do that right now, but that's a function. And we can rotate the images if we need to, and we can also duplicate them. So one really important feature is that you can preview your video anytime you want, and it actually takes a few minutes to generate the preview, and I'm not going to go through with it right now. Because I've already adjusted everything that I want to adjust. But if you aren't sure how you want your video to look and you're playing with it, that's a really important feature. We can also adjust whether or not the videos we're using have audio, So we can just mute the audio on the video and click save. Where did the other video go? Add another video. Okay, it seems like it takes it out if you haven't set enough time for that video to go through. So I'll just put it down here and we're gonna mute that and save it. I'm gonna pull this over. Okay, now finally that we finished, I'm gonna go ahead and preview it so that you guys can sort of see what it looks like now.
And you smashed your camera on the wall for the fear and alcohol, and I was willing to take the fall. But you won't see me float, and you know I'll be sinking in, and you
Okay, so now you can sort of see what it looks like. So now that I'm finished, I would click produce and you can add descriptions and a date and click finish. It wants me to change the name here, so I'm just going to shorten it. So you would click finish. And so now it's going to finalize the video. And notice you can share it through email and social media. You can also link it directly. And you can also share straight to YouTube, which is really great. It also has the embed feature right here. So now that it's finished, I can also download the video. So you can pick what what download you want to do based on the quality of the video. Of course, this highest one is the best quality. This is okay for me, and it'll go a little faster. Okay, so you click MP4. Open when done. Okay, so it looks good now. So this tool could be useful for any class for students to create unique presentations. It can also be useful for teachers for creating anchor videos and opening videos to get students interested in whatever you're learning about. And it's really great because it's super simple to use for students or for teachers, so you don't have to spend a lot of time on it for any particular video. So super user friendly. And teachers can also use it to showcase student work, which is also great. And that is about everything.